Here's the starts of my garden. The watermelon's growing on the fence again. That one fell down. There's another little watermelon. Comes all the way up to there. I got grass growing in there too. Got a sweet potato. And then there's two, I think there's the white potatoes there. My russet potatoes didn't come out. Anyway, there's the watermelon vine. And there's also cantaloupe vine mixed all the way over in there. There's the watermelon here. I don't know if you can see that. And there's a huge watermelon right there. There's more watermelons. I don't know if you can see them. There's one right there, right there. There's tons of cantaloupe over there. I'll go around. And here's my little strawberries. They're not really producing right now. And that's the marigold, finally getting a flower. Watermelon vines. Pepper plants. And my onions. They don't really get water because I don't have a thing set up for them. My tomatoes. That one's dying for some reason. And that one's still producing, but it looks like it's dying also. Got watermelons hanging off the fence. And there's a big one down there. I don't know if you can see that on the other side. Got watermelon everywhere. Here's my cantaloupe. I got a huge one right there. And I've got some more right here. I've got huge squash plants that keep just taking over the garden. I was supposed to stick them up on there and I never did. This is my, what do you call it? Armenian cucumber plant. Look at that cucumber. We went to the cabin for the weekend and up popped this huge cucumber. The end's right here. It just keeps going. That's my hand next to it. That's how big it is. Some more growing over here. I don't know if you can see them. There's one on the other side of the fence and one right there. And we've got zinnias. We'll get a marigold right there. Zinnia, sunflower, zinnia. They're so pretty. Never grown them before. Sunflower. Squash plant coming out. Squishing a little zinnia. I haven't really gotten any squash out there. It seems they always die before they get big enough to pick. There's more zinnias. I think they're so pretty. And my green bean plant. The rosemary plant over there. A little tiny sunflower. I don't know if that one will ever grow bigger. Elephant food plant. Oh, I got my other big sunflower. Another little zinnia and a sunflower. We got a little watermelon that started growing over here all by itself. Anyway, that's my garden.